To our channel Practical Academy. Today we study about physical features of India, which is chapter 2 Geography class 9. And today we know about formation of Himalayas. So let's get started. As you know that Himalayas are situated in the north part of India, it will really help us to understand how Himalayas are formed. Let's bring it on. This is Eurasian plate and this is Indian plate. Because of natural calamities, Indian come above from Gondwana land and merge with the Asian land. Therefore, huge mountains are formed, and this mountain range today is known as Himalayan range. This is the theory of development of Himalayan range.
So guys, this due to natural calamities, this Indian plate, the huge Indian plate, got merged up with the Asian plate, and thus the mighty Himalayas formed. So till now also they had not been completely merged up, and it is in continuation process. Therefore, many earthquakes come in that region, in the region where the mountains are situated. So remember this point. And this was all about the Himalayan belt and the Himalayan region. So let's move on to our next topic, which is the deserts.
Now we are going to talk about Great Indian Desert. As you know that Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. It forms a boundary between India and Pakistan. 85% of the Thar Desert lies in the India and 15% lies in the Pakistan. More than 60% of Thar Desert lies in Rajasthan and it extends into Punjab, Haryana, Sindh and Gujarat. Luni is the only largest river in that region. The Great Indian Desert is the 17th largest desert in the world.
So guys, that was it for the deserts. Now we will go to the northern plains. As per name, you might have guessed that the northern plains lie in northern part of India, and it is the third physical feature of India. So here I had made a physical feature of North India, in which northern plains lie. Now the northern plains are divided into 4 categories. The first one is Bhabur, second one is Terai, third one is Bhangar, and the fourth one is the Khader. The Bhabur is located on the very top of the northern plains. The Bhabur is the region of porous ground consisting of boulders and pebbles that have washed down from the mountains. It is not suitable for crops and is forested. And guys, remember their location. The Bhabur just comes after the Shivaliks Himalayan mountain. After the Bhabur, there comes Terai. Terai region is a wet, swampy and marshy region in which it is slow, slippery and sticky region, and this is so thickly forested region which consists forests. The next comes Bhangar, and this is a fertile plain in which it is easy to cultivate and do other properties. This all was because Bhangar contains the alluvial soil. Now let's move on to Khader. Now at the lowest comes Khader. So that was all it for the northern plain, guys. So now let's end this video because I can't take it anymore. So goodbye, thanks for watching, and we will meet you in next episode.